Welcome to Sarangani Bay Specialist Medical Center Hospital. It is located in the heart of General Santos City. Hand washing before you enter the facility. Sarangani Bay Specialist Medical Center. It is located in Apupu National Highway in Makar Junction. Let's go. Come in. Hospital, which is located near in the General Santos City, which is the capital tuna of heart of the center of Mindanao, Sarangani Bay Specialist Medical Center, to have a quality healthcare to our patients. Our vision for the Sarangani Bay Specialist Medical Center is will be the premier healthcare provider in Southern Mindanao by 2025. It is our mission to commit to global standards of holistic healthcare delivered by a competent and compassionate and multi-specialty team. It is our core values, which is synergy, accountability, respect, moral integrity, excellence, and dynamism. T Achiever'S Program. It is an education and training approach for continuity education, effective, intuitive, valuable, resilient nurses. It is the aim to provide a welcoming, warm, and compassionate environment for patients. Make meaningful patient engagement and patient education as priority. Determine the holistic care set to promote effective, efficient, valuable, and resilient healthcare provider. ENT Achiever'S Program that focuses on nurses who do effective, efficient, and valuable work and promotes continuous education and a good quality of life. This program enables nurses to develop intellectually, socially, emotionally, and spiritually while providing holistic care. ENT Achiever'S Program assists the nurses in growing as a person and through his respective area of work. These are the personnel who are involved in my ENT Achiever'S organizational program development. Program Director, Program Coordinator, and we have two committees, Hospital Committee and Preparedness Committee. Under the Hospital Committee, we have the Budget Controller and also the Quality Controller. Under the Preparedness Committee, we have the Planning Team, Organizing Team, Training Team, and the staff nurses. And under the Program Coordinator, we have the Documentation Team and the Research Team. It has 1.4 million budgeted for the annual for the ENT Achiever'S Program, and it is sponsored by our Board of Directors and the owner of SARMED Hospital. ENT Achiever'S Program. ENT Achiever'S Program focuses on nurses who do effective, efficient, and valuable work that promotes lifelong learning and a high quality of life, while providing holistic care to the community. These programs allow nurses to grow intellectually, socially, physically, psychologically, and spiritually. As a result, Achiever'S ENT programs assist nurses in developing as individuals through their respective areas of work, particularly at Sarangani Bay Specialist Medical Hospital in General Santos City. ENT Achiever'S Program that is in SARMED Hospital, which is this hospital is a newly blooming healthcare facility with new management and new organization platform. The program is based on the Association of Doctors in the Philippines, current data events, hospital needs, and management activities. Furthermore, The program activities are based on the 2015 Code of Ethics for the Nurses, which was created as a guide for carrying out nursing responsibilities in a way that it is consistent with quality nursing care and ethical obligation of the professions. In order to make the code more accessible, we are providing view only access to all nurses and the general public, not just ANA members and PNA members. The ENT Achievers Program deals with basic life support workshop, which should be all nurses should pass on the training and pass on the evaluation form. Delivers first aid training workshop, which all the nurses have passed and gathered the certificate for first aid training workshop. Advanced cardiac life support training. All nurses should pass on the training and have their certificate and ID for the ACLS program provider. And lastly, they need to be a certified and ANSAP and intravenous training therapy and have their ID training on updated. ENT Achievers Program deals with a lot of programs in General Santos City and it is offered to all nurses and staff nurse working in Sarmet Hospital. The work plan serves as the program foundation is a valuable calendar year 2021 until 2022. This work plan is consisting on the activity of the election of the committee, departmental meeting, team building, planning, organizing, program, implementing of program, and which are the programs are the first aid training programs, intravenous training therapy, basic life support workshop, advanced cardiac life support training, and the last one is the evaluation tool. And every month, all the committees have their monthly meeting. And we have the quality controller and also the budget controller, which this will be measured at every 6 months of the month and the budget will be given at the end of the year. The work plan activity, this one is the hospital preparedness activities which include the planning, organizing, team building, implementation, trainings, evaluation, and monitoring are included in the work plan. The work plan, on the other hand, includes the programs, hospital committee, and the hospital owner, which include the budget controller, quality controller, board of directors, and training organization. The program workforce will be in charge of carrying out the work plan, will be guided by the program's objectives and strategies, preparation, and implementation phase. The program coordinator is in overall charge of the ENT Achievers Program with assistance from the committee chiefs and the team leader. Furthermore, the program includes the budgetary requirement for each activity with a total of 1.4 million. The program has its own monitoring and evaluation form to ensure that every activity in the work plan is fully, properly implemented. The program for the file management is also include a documentation processes. ENT Achievers Program that focuses on nurses who do effective, efficient, and valuable work that promotes continuous education and a good quality of life. These programs enables nurses to develop intellectually, socially, physically, emotionally, and spiritually while providing holistic care to the community. Therefore, the Achievers Program access the nurse in growing as a person through in his respective areas of work. The specific objectives of the ENT Achiever's Program provide a welcoming, warm, and compassionate environment for patients, make meaningful patient engagement and patient education a priority, determine the holistic care sets that promote effective, efficient, valuable, and resilient healthcare providers. Therefore, the seminar workshop, nurses and other healthcare professionals will be able to relearn continuity education principle for optimum patient care and creating a positive patient experience.